Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna try and pull the dent on that quarter panel. This is nerve-wracking to me because if I do it wrong, car's totaled. So as you can see here, that's a pretty sizable dent. Finger for reference. It's like one finger length popped in. Hopefully I can get a piece of metal out of there and pull it out, and I'll show you what I got to do it. I went to everybody's favorite place here, which is Harbor Freight, and picked up the stud welder dent repair kit because I thought that was the only way to be able to pop that dent out. I tried removing the interior. You guys saw that in the last video, and that did nothing for me. So this is how we're gonna get to it. First things first, gotta make some bare metal.
We ain't gonna stop till we out here winning Grammys. We talking Jacksons, both Tysons in the garden. I said no capping, all classic, Dennis Rodman's. Go stack your money, but it don't measure up, that's for sure. The Porsche, the caddy, you put this shit up in sport. It's death or dishonor, they only look to a fault. You know all my bros keep.
Next, we're gonna pull out the stud welder and see if we can get this working. So what they don't seem to tell you is that this thing is 1 billion pounds. It's a heavy piece of machinery here. Oh man. So if I have this correct, take that, put that there, stomp, press it, and then it's not working.
Oh, hell no.
Let me try it again.
First thing in the morning, know that I gotta pray. When I leave the house, I keep my peace on me. Cause we made it steal, homie, every day. Cause we got the steel on us every day.
It ain't working.
Tell them back away. Smith and Wesson keeping all the best from me. Cause we made it steal, homie, every day. Cause we got the steel on us every day.
Am I doing this right?
First thing in the morning, know that I gotta pray. When I leave the house, I keep my peace on me. Cause we made it steal on me every day. Cause we got this steel on us every day. They wanna threaten me, I tell them back away. Smith and
I don't know if I'm doing this
Wesson
right, y'all.
keeping all the best from me. Cause we made it steal
Is it bare
on me
metal?
every day. Cause we got this steel on us every day.
Please hold. I gotta do some investigating. All right, so it turns out I was a bit of a goof. What I thought was bare metal was not bare metal. So now we're gonna try this again. Hopefully, little play meal. I got scared, it did work. That seems pretty solid. So, I guess we're supposed to take this now and slide it in.
Pause.
That didn't really do anything. I'm gonna have to do it again. Please hold. So remember when I said it was a 50-50 chance that this goes well? It's not going well. You see, the problem I'm running into here is that the metal is so thin that if I stud weld it and give it like 3 pulls with the 2-pounder, it just, yeah, I'm leaving holes. But now that I got this hole, I can try and pull it out as much as I can with a screwdriver, I guess. It's not gonna be pretty, but at this point I gotta do something, because right now it's sitting as bare metal. So the only other thing I would be able to do is I'd have to cut it, but then I have to find somebody to weld it, and I don't know anybody that can weld. So you see the predicament I'm in? I might have to just wait until I get that guy to look at the body next week. But till then, let me try and keep going a little bit. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you. The quarter panel work, that's not me. So I had to stop before I made any more damage. But take a look at the repair that we did on the bumper. It looks pretty good. You can barely see. You can see it a little bit, but you know what? The whole car is dirty. It'll buff up. I just put the fog lights in halfway because none of the bolts line up. So I just threw it in there and then put the turn signals back in. I think that's pretty nice. I'm gonna stop here though, because I'm out of energy for the day. But she's slowly coming together. Next, we gotta tackle that front lip. That's gonna be, I have to take the bumper off for that. I already accepted it. So, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Leave a like, leave a comment down below. Dog's going crazy over there. And subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace. What's going on, y'all? Thank you guys for watching this episode in season 2 of the vlogs. Before you get gone, we got new merch on our Amazon shop. We have hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got everything you can think of on there. Go and take a look at it. Links down below. We also dropping music constantly. And when you see it, it's also going to be on the channel. You can also see it on Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere you think of. Anything with DSPs, bruh. And thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Drop the Addy, I send you the keys, got me as the screen in your phone. I don't got time for the back and forth. Look, girl, I got money to make. By the time I'm finished here, they gon' mortalize me in my city like Tay. Call me when you see